Hi lovelies, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, as you can see from the title, we're unboxing a subscription box. It's more on premium subscription box, and this is from Toyl, Time of Your Life. So if you want to see what's inside in Toyl February 2022, just keep on watching. Before I start, lovelies, if you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Jayca. I'll do beauty videos like unboxing, subscription boxes, beauty haul, lineup, spoiler of subscription boxes, and more. So if you like this kind of video, make sure to subscribe, and if you're already subscribed, lovelies, thank you so much for tuning in again, and thank you so much for your continuing support. So yes, we're unboxing Toyl February 2022. If you're new to this subscription box, it's a beauty monthly subscription box. It costs £35 a month, including the shipping fee, and every month you receive 4, 5, 6 beauty items, premium beauty items, from skincare to makeup. And if you want to subscribe to the subscription box, I have my referral code, which is JAYCA, JAYCA, and you will receive this box for only £30. You can order this box now. Just make sure to put on the notes when you subscribe that you want the February box instead of the January one. So yes, make sure to apply that one. So yes, let's start. And also, before I forget, because I know some of you ask, this subscription box, lovely, they release a spoiler every 18th of the month, and that day you can decide if you want to pause your subscription box or continue with the subscription box, because they always take the money on the 19th of the month. So yes, that's the good thing about this subscription box, because you can decide if you want to continue or not. So yes, let's open this box. When you open, it says Toyl Beauty for Life. Welcome to this month Toyl box. We hope you love it. So excited for this one, because as you know, I already did my lineups for this subscription box. A lot of you lovelies are very excited for this month too. And we have the booklet as always, and it says February 2022, welcome to your Toyl box. Halt the sign, reverse the damage. This box is the heart of your 2022 skincare regime and contains the 3 key unmissable products that you need. And this is Karen, which is the Toyl founder, and it says halt the cause, reverse the damage. What a great set of outcomes this box offers. I spent a lot of time researching with doctors about what are the ultimate products to have in our skincare arsenal after 40. Yes, this subscription box target more women over 40. I'm on 30, but I still use the products that I receive every month, lovelies. I think it's all for age 2. And it says, in short, if they could only have 3 products, what would be and why? It came down to CSA, vitamin C, as it fights free radicals in the skin and offers glow. Sunscreen every single day to prevent sun damage, which is the #1 cause of fine lines, wrinkle, age spots. Vitamin A, as it is proven to reverse the death of line and wrinkles. These 3 types of products are the backbone of our skincare in midlife. And within this product, I have 3 of the very best. Not only that, I have brands that are incredible. These are outstanding luxury skincare products that will super boost your skin this spring. All you have to do is wait for everyone to tell you how well you look. So yes, let's see each product in here. So the first product we have, and I'm so excited to try, and this is from Kate Somerville Derma Quench Liquid Lift Advanced Hydration Treatment. It has 15 grams. Lovely. It's retail for £23. And let's see inside. It looks like this. Very fancy packaging. And it says, this is your new best friend. Not only does this have a little retinol palmitate in it, vitamin A, it has a whole host of hyaluronic acid and oxygen to seriously hydrate skin. I love the word hydrate. Nothing helps skin retain moisture like hyaluronic acid, and this spray should give you at least 1 month worth of serious moisture retention to help smooth fine lines and wrinkles. How we use this one, lovelies: shake really well before use. Spray in 2 lines either side of the face, the top one along the cheekbone and the other one an inch underneath that, and then blend the top line up, the bottom line down and across, and then use this one in morning and night. So this is the first item, and then the next one we have, and this one I'm really excited too. This is from Murad. This is the City Skin Age Defense Broad Spectrum SPF 50. Wow. As you know, lovelies, SPF is very important to our skin. And yes, I use a lot of SPF. So this one, it has SPF 50. So very thumbs up for me. Can't wait to use this one. This one is rated for 60 pounds. Wow. And it says, this product goes beyond just UV defense to protect against the 5 causes of accelerated aging within skin. It works against the damage of UVA and UVB, light from sun, blue light from excess screen time, 96% of pollution, infrared, and radiation. It is 100% mineral and absorbs quickly without leaving the ashy residue that some mineral sunscreen have. Yes, I really hate those like thick, very greasy ones. So yeah, it looks like this. Really like the packaging. It's flat, so it's easy to bring with you everywhere. This one is 50 ml, so definitely can't wait to use it. And then we have from Beauty Pro, this is the brightening vitamin C daily serum. So it says here, after you use this one, apply this. Retail for 15 pounds, and it says vitamin C is a tricky ingredient. It's break down really fast when it contact with light and air. So you want it in a airtight container, not in such large quantities that it's going to last longer than a month. This gorgeous serum is 100% plant-based and cruelty-free, but most of all, it works. You can see. And then the last product we have in this box, we have from Pride, in collaboration with Mark & Spencer. This is the Collagen Boosting Cream Gel Moisturizer, Hydra Soothe and Plump. This is a full size. It has 50 ml and it's retail for 25 pounds. Like this. And this one, it says, having got you all these amazing serums, skin hydrators, and brightening spray that you are now religiously using, I want to ensure that all those ingredients are locked into your skin, and what way better than with a top quality moisturizer. So this is the last item. As you can see, let's do a recap. So in this box, we will receive from Pride in collaboration with Mark & Spencer the Menu Glow Collagen Boosting Cream Gel Moisturizer, and then you will receive the from Kate Somerville Anti-Aging Derma Quench Liquid Lift, and then you will receive the Murad City Skin Age Defense Broad Spectrum SPF 50. It's rated for 60 pounds. Just this product alone, it costs more than the box. So bargain this box. And then the Beauty Pro Brightening Vitamin C. So as I said, lovelies, I was really excited for this box, and I really think that this is really a good bargain considering very expensive brands like the Murad one and the Kate Somerville. So yes, I highly recommend this box. And if you want to subscribe, as always, I have my referral code, which is JAYCA, JAYCA, and you will get this box for only 30 pounds including the shipping fee, which is bargain. So yeah, that's all for me, lovelies. And you lovelies, what do you think of this box? Are you subscribed to Toyl? Are you waiting for this box? Just let me know in the comment below. So that's all for me, lovelies. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, make sure to smash the like button, and if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to see more unboxing subscription boxes, and don't forget to click the notification bell so you know when I upload the video. See you in my next video, lovelies. Bye.